Hello, my name is Tanaya. I'm here with Mr.
Stoffregen.
and Mrs.
Bonds.
And today, in Mr. Stoffregen's second period economics class, we're having a bake-off with cookies. How do you all feel about this cookie test today?
I'm excited and I'm glad I got invited to this party.
I love cookies, so yay.
Cookies rock. Any cookie cook-off is awesome. So
Well, I got to taste yesterday's stuff, so I'm really excited to taste today's.
nice texture.
How is this cookie?
It's good. I don't know how to describe it.
It's very chewy, lots of butter, very, very good. I like it a lot.
Very nice texture. I'm all about texture. It's good.
I concur.
Alrighty. That is cookie number one, guys.
It's not too sweet. It's just the right everything.
Savory.
Yes,
It's savory.
it's the right everything.
So are you ready for cookie number two?
Cookie number 2.
It's a big piece of a cookie.
This is like a Cookie Monster cookie.
Oh my gosh.
Secret.
I think I got all of the chocolate.
Now, is this marshmallow? What is that?
Oreo.
Taste it.
Inside of the cookie.
An Oreo inside of a cookie.
Never had that before, huh?
That's good.
There's good.
Look at their faces, guys.
You know what? I'm going to go out on a limb with some controversy. This is too much. This is too much. Good steam.
Too much?
How do you feel about this cookie?
They're both excellent. My mouth is full. But I like cookie number 1 better. I'm kind of a purist.
I like this one. I like cookie number 2, but I like the buttery taste of cookie number 1. So I'm going to go cookie number 1.
Okay. Do you feel that this was fair?
Yes and no. There was a little bit extra in the cookie.
I mean, what is it to be upset about? At the end of the day, I still make more profit off my bacon than anybody else's. So,
I'm happy I won. It's okay.